Welcome to Wayne's World Garage. Today, Matt is explaining his idea for quarter sawing logs on the Frick sawmill. If we're going to quarter saw these, I don't know if we will.
This is just my idea how to get to it.
Right.
And everybody has different ideas.
Right.
So you cut the cheek off this side, you flip it, you cut the cheek off of that side. And then you got a big billet out of the middle. And then you put it on there, and you would just trim cut, and then cut to the heart, cut the heart out, and then you have that piece. Then you put those pieces back on the saw, turn them vertical,
right,
and then you're cutting them this way. Bam, 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 bam. And you get a big pile of sweet quarter sawn.
Yeah, so I don't know whether he wants quarter sawn or not, but if he does,
no, but
yeah,
these are for
these are Eric's, I believe.
Eric's,
yeah. So we'll see what he wants. I think he might just want slabs, but I don't disagree with that. That seems like a reasonable idea. I don't know anything about quarter sawing, but it seemed like it was a pain in the neck.
It's a little bit more handling than otherwise.
Right.
But I think quarter sawn generally is.
Absolutely. Yeah. Cool. Thanks for watching Wayne's World Garage. Please subscribe if you like this and give it a thumbs up.